Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktash have recently shared another glimpse of their life, this time enjoying the beauty of a serene lake. Their fans are always thrilled to see them together, and this moment was no acceptance. The stunning couple, who are always full of life and energy, decided to spend some peaceful time by a beautiful lake. In the shared photos, you can see Yağmur and Barış standing by the water, surrounding by lush greenery. The peaceful atmosphere of the lake matched perfectly with their relaxed and happy vibes. Barış could not resist taking a refreshing swim in the clear water, while Yağmur posed for some breathtaking pictures with the lake and mountains in the background. Their love for exploring nature is evident, and fans praise them for taking time to enjoy the simple joys of life. The couple radiated happiness, and their fans appreciated this calm and intimate moment. Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş continued to inspire fans with their love and adventures. Keep an eye on their next adventure, as they never fail to bring joy to their fans with such wonderful moments.